I got these appreciation cards. They are amazing. They come in lovely design. I love how they are packaged. And when I open it up, I can see the two designs that each package has. And I'm putting my daughter's lunch away for a day. And I added one of these cards, and I know it just makes a day. It's very amazing. You can use this to brighten up somebody's day, like I did with my daughter. And I can also use this for friends and family. I love that it is waterproof. I love that it doesn't fade. And it also gives you that dazzling colors. Like when you reflect light on it, it makes everything shiny and beautiful. So I get different lights and different colors each time. I love that I get 180 in a pack, and this is absolutely amazing gift for anyone that you care about. Absolutely great.